This storm is coming up probably right in town in the community of Allen, but also people that live near Atwood or Calvin, you have to be taking shelter right now with this storm that is moving in here. This is really, really bad, and this is going to be wrapped up in rain here, by the way, but just look at that spin that is going to be coming in here. So tons of rain that's just getting shielded up in this thing, but that velocity couplet, when you see that blue and that red right up against each other, oh my goodness. Oh, and that sweep goes by here, and so we're getting as close as we can here, but just a heads up, I mean, there's Allen. That's a confirmed tornado. That is definitely, that's it. That is on the ground, and that's doing damage. We're hoping that it's just trees that we are picking up inside of this storm, but that is bad. That is bad for sure.